in the rain, fading slowly through the pain. Every shadow knows your name, but nothing feels the same. Late nights, cold skies above me, broken dreams are all around me. Tried to run but memories found me. Now I'm lost where you left me. Empty roads and city lights, fighting all these endless nights. Your goodbye still cuts so deep. Now you're only in my sleep, and I keep calling your name, but the silence never changed. Every tear becomes a flame, burning through my veins. Come back, memory, you're the missing part of me. Falling through eternity, drowning in what used to be. Come back, memory, even if it's hurting me. One more night, one more dream before you disappear from me. Clock keeps moving, I stay still, trying hard but never heal. Every scar becomes too real, every heartbeat starts to kill. Your reflection in the glass looks like ghosts from the past. I keep hoping time will bend just to see your face again. The stars are fading.